remind me of this quarterback here. You know
sir.
this one?
Ben Roethlisberger.
Why would I say that?
Size, physical,
Yeah.
stature.
Nobody. He's Mr. Anonymous
He's
from
from
Ohio.
Miami
No one
of
even knew
Ohio.
how to say Roethlisberger. Try
Right.
saying Blake Bortles 5 times fast, can you?
Blake Bortles, Blake Bortles, Blake Bortles, Blake Bortles,
Yeah.
Blake Bortles.
That's what people got to start saying, man, because you remind me of Ben Roethlisberger. You study him and his style of play?
I have. Yep.
What have you noticed?
I think the stuff he's able to do with his size, being that big and kind of moving around in the pocket, throwing off platform, doing all those unorthodox things, outside of the pocket, extending plays.
When you two play, isn't there a fine line between giving up on a play and throwing it away
Yeah,
and
I think
extending
so.
the play?
Yep.
So when I watch you, sometimes you get smashed,
Yep.
and then sometimes you make the greatest play I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Bortles gets away from 1, 2, 3 guys and still on his feet.
And you're able to make something happen. And it's something that you bring to the table, isn't it?
Yeah, sir. I think it's just a little extra piece of my game. It's something that the defense has to account for.
But this Ben Roethlisberger comparison, I'm not way off base, am I?
No, sir.
And how about under fire? When nobody's blocked, or you know
Right.
you're going to get hit,
Yeah.
you stand in there pretty darn good,
Right.
don't you?
Yeah. That's making those leadership throws. Guys see that. Guys get fired up. They want to play for a guy that'll do stuff like that. You throw a comeback on a dime and get your helmet knocked off. Stuff like that. That stuff fires me up.
But let me make this point to you. Let's eliminate the fire.
Right.
And let's go to work every day trying to eliminate the fire, because I don't want you under fire. Sometimes I look at you, and the best thing I can say about you is you make some really good audibles in this game. Okay?
Yeah.
He made 2 or 3 excellent tight window throws. He brought his team back to win in the 4th quarter. Unbelievable under fire. And I might write unbelievable under fire 3 times. Unbelievable under fire 4 times.
All right.
So now as I read my write-ups, you know what I say? Man, this guy's under a lot of fire.
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is what?
Eliminate the fire.
I don't want you under fire.
Right.
Ever.
Right.
Because I want you to play 12 years.
That's right.
It's just inevitable. If you're under fire a lot, you're going to get burned.
Right.
Come on, you got the Golden Knight out here.
I have my eyes set on Nate to sit there and say, I turned over every stone and did everything I could to prepare myself to be the best player for this situation that I can possibly be, and to be hopefully the #1 pick.
Let's rip some faces off, all right? Oh, I love it! I think the future is bright if he gets on the gas pedal and continues to commit himself to be great. We're simulating some fire. When he committed himself, he became a force at the quarterback position. He's going to have to double his efforts to maximize his potential.
Go champs on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Bam.
Good job, guys. Appreciate it a lot.